Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So today we will talk about how you can go from $0 to $5,000. So before we get started, I want to talk about how making $5,000 works. So what we'll talk about in this video, how to go from $5,000 to $5,000 in 30 days. And at the beginning, what I always like to do is I like to know my numbers. So I simply divided 5,000 with 30, and that means to make $5,000 in 30 days, you have to make $166 per day. And if you divide that by 24, then you know that you actually just have to make $7 per hour. And now think about it. Someone who works at McDonald's makes like $10 per hour. Sure, it's 24 hours a day because, but you have an online business. So in online, you can make 24 hours, you can make money 24 hours, 7 days a week. And that thing like over the whole month and the whole year. So that's why I divide 5,000 at the beginning. Like when I set a goal, I divide it by 30. So I set monthly goals. So for example, if my goal is to make $5,000, I divide it by 30. Then I know that I have to make $166 per day. And then I divide it by 24. And then I know that I have to make $7 per hour. So we will later talk about that, but I just wanted to show you these numbers at the beginning because knowing your numbers is one of the most important things. Anyways, here's how it works, how you can go from $0 to $5,000 in 30 days. So what you have to do is, or what you can do is, you can document your journey. So when you start your Instagram account, just start documenting how you grow your Instagram account. At the first day, you could upload a story, for example, that says, hey guys, my name is blah, 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 and I started this Instagram account because I want to inspire people to start their business. And what I actually want to do is I want to document my journey, how I grow my Instagram account, how I make money with it. And I actually also want to give you guys tips and tricks and hacks and strategies so that you guys can build your Instagram account too. So right now I'm at 0 followers and my goal for the next 30 days is to get to 10,000 followers. So that's a story that you could upload at the first day when you start your Instagram account, okay? The second day, you maybe reach 100 followers and then you just take a screenshot and say, yo guys, thank you so much for the first 100 followers. I'm so grateful for that because I just started my account 1 day ago and I'm already at 100 followers. And then when you're at 300 followers, you say, yo guys, I already have 20,000 impressions and we're now at already 300 followers. And that's just insane because, building a following is the key to making money online. And I now already have 300 followers. I'm so excited for the future. And also thank you so much for over 100 likes on the last post. So you just document your journey. You keep going with that until you have about 1,000 followers. And then you start selling coaching calls. So when your account grows and when you document your journey, people will then automatically message you, okay? They will message you and ask you, yo, how do you do that? Can I learn from you? And then you basically sell coaching calls for example, $100, okay? And then sometimes in your story, when you did the first coaching call, you can, for example, take a photo of that with you doing a coaching call with someone and say, yo, I just did a coaching call with blah, 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 and taught them how to do X, Y, and Y, okay? And then people will ask you, yo, do you want to do a coaching call with me too? And then you just sell coaching calls for $100. And to make $5,000, you just have to sell 50 coaching calls. And you can easily do that in a month if you follow the strategies that I taught you before. And if you use the sales strategies, if you use the growth strategies, if you use the branding strategies that I taught you. And with 50 coaching calls for $100, you will then be at $5,000. So pretty easy. And to sell the coaching calls, what you can just basically do is, first of all, document your journey. Also document how you do coaching calls. And then say, yo guys, I have 7 spots for coaching calls left this week. If you're interested, send me a DM. And then you get people to DM you and they will say, and then they will text you and say something like interested. And then you say, or you text them, okay, cool. When do you want to get started? And then this person says, oh, I want to get started, blah, 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 on this and this date. And then you just send them your PayPal and say, okay, send me the $100, or after that, send you my WhatsApp number, and we can then schedule the call. And sometimes people will say, okay, I have some questions here and there, and then you just answer the questions. Very simple. I have some more videos here in this module, okay, that explain exactly how to do the coaching calls. But with coaching calls, you can easily get to $5,000. Like one of my students, he's at over 20,000 followers now, started the account 3 months ago. And a few weeks ago, actually, he started using that and he now already makes $10,000 per month. So that's absolutely crazy. Just use that strategy. It will definitely work for you if you follow what I taught you before and if you follow what I taught you in this video. And then you will make money. So that's it for the video. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Text me on Instagram or text me in the chat box. let's see on this website, and we will then talk.